Hi, I'm Nico, and I left my stable corporate job to pursue my lifelong dream of becoming a business owner. And ito po ang aming shop located at SSG Santa Ana. Maganda po ito, matao, kasi may grocery po dito. And yan po, kaway-kaway. Yan, thank you. And ito po ang aming siomai and siopaw. Buy one take one po na siopaw, and then siomai po, murang-mura lang, masarap. And also here, our donuts na 25 pesos lang po isa. So, bale, ito po ang buhay ko ngayon. Ito ang aking office chair, quote-unquote. And ito ang aking office view. Dahil nga po, I left my corporate job. And pakita ko po, ito po yung comparison. Ito na po yung office view ko compared to my office view before in BGC, yan. Pero no regrets. Masaya po ako na I'm pursuing my dream right now, and mahirap dahil first time po na business owner, but journey with me and let's see how this goes. God bless po, and see you on our next vlog. Salamat!